pulled back too far.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, go forward just a little bit. All right, it's good.
Yeah, that was just my wheel sliding.
Rip.
Rip, dude. These things don't last very long. They don't make them like they used to.
Nope.
Damn. Well, I think we're done.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw away the evidence.
Yeah.
The first slide was fun around, but dude, even in the rain, we only got like 2 uses out of it.
I mean, it's like ground's kind of like rough on them though. Like all these like cracks and stuff.
Yeah, maybe. Hey, like, so I was drifting. Dude, the bottom of it's fucked. Shout out to McDonald's. They need to make some better quality trays. Because they only lasted 2 uses, and I think they should last more, to be honest.
So now we know, only get the dark brown McDonald's trays. Those are the only ones that hold up.
Are we just gonna leave that one there?
I guess. I feel like it'd be like super obvious to somebody.
Yeah. Well, there's only 1 tray, so I mean.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, that was fun for the 1 slide I got.
Drift spare. He goes though.
This one just runs it over.
Dude.
Dude, what the heck? That's wild.
He's only giving it like a quarter throttle down here.
Coming again.
At this moment, everyone forgot about the car meet.
Yeah, we got him. Yeah.
I knew I would because he has to shift like halfway through the pull.
Yeah.
Oh!
Camaro! I got that. I saw him coming to the mirror.
He was like, I want to race too.
Yeah, I was wondering because like I was like, why is this like car coming up really quick with us?